Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to make this super cute DIY as you can see in my background. I loved it a lot and let me know in the comment section what you loved the most of this video. For that you need to watch the video till the end. So let's begin. Before starting, make sure you follow the drill of like, share, subscribe and comment to this video. And all the art materials that I am using in this video are linked in the description. So let's begin the video. So here I have this Brustro watercolor paper. I'm gonna use it to make this craft. For that you will need scissors. You will cut the paper in a triangle shape. You can also make different shape like square which have different vertices. If you don't know vertices, you need to check out. So as you can see, I have cut out this triangle and I have some more. So let's start. I have here about 4 triangles and I am going to work on them. So for that I am going to start painting. All the colors that I am using and mixing are mentioned in the video so that it will be more easy for you. And I hope this video is going to be really interesting for you. And as you can see, here is my second triangle. For this I am going to use a light blue color, purple, some pink and white. I love these pastel colors a lot. I hope you also love all of them. And you can try different color combination if you want. I am trying here on this triangle. I am going to make a sky or a sky with some clouds. So let's see how you can do that. For that you need to apply the first layer, then add some white for the gradation and then make some clouds. For the clouds you need nothing, you just take a small brush and then tap it and make it a bit of cloud shape. Make some clouds and then merge it from downside. You will see how I'm doing that. So as you can see, you just have to roll it. So like this I'm going to make about 2 to 3 clouds on this triangle. So as you can see, this looks really pretty. I just love it a lot and I am left with one more, I think. So after completing that I'll do another one. So I think this is the last one. This is the yellow one. So first of all I'm going to tap some color inside on the paper. That is some orange plus white, yellow and all this stuff, and then going to merge it with my brush like that. Isn't it really satisfying? I love merging my watercolors and this is how it turned out. I love the purple combination and the blue one. So let's try the details. For that you need some black paint and a small brush, and then I'm going to do this first one, then this second one and then the third one. So it's up to you that what details you want. As you can see, you can take a screenshot if you want, and this are my happy hands all the messed up. So as you can see, here I have the stick. This is a real branch of tree and here is my glue gun. I have painted the branch of tree with black paint. You can also paint with some metallic color, that will also look good, but I preferred black. So I just stick this branch on the stick this stick on the paper like that with help of glue gun, and then I'll do the next one too. So as you can see, I'm applying some glue on both the sides and then I'll stick some stick like that. Isn't it looking really beautiful? This is how it turned out. It's looking really pretty and I am definitely going to use it for my studio decor. If you love it, let me know in the comment section.
I hope this video was really helpful for you and you really loved it. If you do, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. So let's end this video. Before ending, if you want to be more connected with Shruti Arts, you can check out all these IDs on my Instagram, Pinterest and my site howtomake.com, where you can receive different tutorials. So I'll see you in my next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye.